Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot browse Google Play Store or Google Chrome or any other browser for ASUS Zenfone 9. So let's open Google Play Store, and here we want to download any app. So for example, let's get this one. And now if we try to install it, it will be in a pending state and won't change. The same goes with Google Chrome, as if we try to reach any website, it won't work. So now let's fix this by going through our settings, navigate all the way down to find the system, date and time, and enable set time automatically. Now if we go back to our Google Play Store and try to install the game, it should download. If not, you might need to restart the entire Google Play Store app. And now let's try Google Chrome, reload the page, and it also works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.